Hi guys, this is Pat. And Pat, what kind of STI do you have?
Man, I 2021 Limited.
All right, what are you getting done today?
I'm getting a flex fuel tune, full E85, or I could run full 93. Expecting somewhere around that 350, 375 wheel horsepower range. Very excited. I came from the FA platform. That WRX got a lot of power and it was a lot of fun. But the last EJ motor was coming. I saw him going, so I decided to swoop one myself.
What kind of mods you got done to your STI?
Well, first of all, stock. I'm enjoying the Recaro seats, the sunroof, the Harman Kardon sound system, upgraded transmission. It's very fun naturally. Now, what I did, started off with COBB intake. We did a COBB downpipe with an R400 catback exhaust.
Okay.
Now, flex fuel sensor, fuel pressure regulator, and again, COBB flex fuel kit. So, expecting pretty good power. Nothing major, not a full build.
Any injectors you got in there?
Absolutely. So I have 1050cc injectors and the AM high fuel pump.
Okay.
We'll see what kind of power we're going to push today, and I'm excited to see what this thing can do at sea level.
You going to show it to us?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, let's follow the man with his dizzy. Where we at, Pat?
Get right here. No,
Show us what you got. So this is Patrick's. This is
exterior
Pat's.
mods, we did spacers, front lip.
Look at that.
The only part that came from my old FA,
That flush. What'd you get from your FA, buddy?
just the R400, that was the only compatible part.
All right.
Put everything back to stock.
All right, point it out, buddy. Point it out what you got done.
So right here, top intake, as we were talking about. Here's my fuel pressure sensor
All right.
with the fuel pressure regulator.
Okay.
We got the flex fuel kit sensor right here. Over here, see the AOS.
Look at that. Look how tight that work is.
Behind that, we've got the COBB high flow cat downpipe.
Let me see if I can get a quick picture of that. Actually, no, the shield's on there. You guys can actually see the shield listed a little bit right there. Go ahead, Pat. Let me give it a click on. You mentioned, actually, you didn't say it in the video, but you did say you got a ceramic coat on this, right?
Absolutely. So
Right.
one of the nice things, I'll do a little demo for that.
Go ahead. Show them what you got.
I gotta stay hydrated, boys. Gotta stay hydrated.
Look at that
Black.
work.
I was
Sheesh.
very, very scared to get that, but as you can see, the water just runs right off.
Look at that.
Absolutely needed that to avoid micro scratches. I use a 2-bucket wash system.
And we all know how black cars can get. Look at those Recaros. Nice.
Interior's a little bit dirty, but hey, it's tune day. We'll do detail day another time. In the back,
It's the best part. For those.
we got masks.
Check out those
Pandemic.
jugs. Nice jugs, dude.
We got some nice ties. E85 ready to go.
Nah, you gotta say it the right way. Nice jugs.
Nice fucking job.
Let's show them the Subi Speed taillights. Is that what they are? I could be wrong.
Absolutely.
What are these?
They are the Super Speed taillights. I can't tell you the exact model, but they're the sequentials. And I did like the seed that they did on this.
Damn, those are nice.
I did like the clear lens rather than the smoked.
For those who have never heard the R400 in real life, this is probably my favorite exhaust on any Subaru, honestly. It just sounds beautiful. It gives that iconic Subaru rumble to the vehicle itself. Really is nothing like it. Has an actually nice, pretty setup on this. Nice.
You can see the where my tips were actually burnt from the old tune.
Yeah, you were shooting flames on the FA, right?
Absolutely. So
Nice. It's pretty cool,
this ain't
man.
burnt tip from the factory. That's real fire.
It's a clean one, man. Nice vortex generator there. Of course, Patrick's a show. He's from Colorado, so he cracked the sunroof. It's clean, man. It's a really nice car. So, guys, in the comments, what kind of power you think Pat's gonna push? What do you think?
I don't know. Like conservative, let's just say 350. I'd love 375 wheel.
That'd be
And
fun,
torque?
bro. That'd be fun.
I've heard different things. One of the main things is Mikey Body, one of the best tuners in the country. I waited a long time for him, so he He's finally here.
This is gonna be your second time tuning a body, correct?
Absolutely.
How was your tune with the FA?
It was absolutely perfect. No rough idle, no hesitation. Everything stayed exactly where it needed to be. Didn't have any issues. Now I did with the Flex Fuel kit. The harness did fail on me. It was an easy swap. COBB warrantied it out, and that was just something that got fixed in a few minutes. I think the only other thing is a gasket had blown. Sounded like a dump truck for a little bit. Another easy fix. Other than that, very happy with the tuner I had, so that's why I'm going with Mikey again. And now it's the real deal.
All right, I'm
Very
proud of you,
excited
bro.
for the STI.
In my opinion, I always think Pat's probably gonna get a little bit above 350, but if you ask me, 350, it's a good enough power, man. These cars are all-wheel drive. You take off on a stoplight, barely even driving hard, and you know you're way ahead of anyone, anyways. But if you ask me, let's wish the best to Pat. And Pat, what's your Instagram, Pat?
Let's do it, bro.
Let him know. Let him follow
Instagram is PWCO.
All right.
Link in the comments.
Link's
Check it out.
definitely gonna be down below, and we will see you guys on the next one. And we got another FA pulling up. All right, it's a couple Subies out here. See you guys on the next one with the Dynos.